Welcome to this tutorial on tagging tables in Prep Tag Editor. Tagging tables accurately ensures that screen readers can interpret and navigate tabular data correctly. To tag a table, first, draw a bounding box around the table. Then, click the table icon and select Detect Cells. Prep will automatically tag the table elements with the appropriate tags. Next, configure the properties for each table element, set the scope, row span, column span, and header ID for all table headers. Similarly, set the header ID, row span, and column span for each table data cell. Once your table cells are configured, select all table tags and group them as table in the tag tree. Then, select and group all header cells as table header. And group each set of related cells into the table row. Grouping table tags in the tag tree helps maintain the table's structure and reader order in the PDF document. Finally, click Save to apply and keep your changes. And that's it. You've successfully tagged a table manually using the Prep Tag Editor. Thank you.